In 2003, Barry Chick walked into a baby store to buy a crib mattress for his first grandchild. He didn't know much about mattresses, but he did know about chemicals. He had had a career as an environmental engineer and hazardous materials manager, and he had lived near Lake Erie. Toxic chemicals from industry, combined with agricultural runoff and sewage waste, poisoned wildlife and created massive blooms of toxic algae. This was on his mind as he shopped for a mattress. He learned that children's beds contained a surprising number of toxic chemicals linked to human health hazards. At this point, Barry did something most people can't imagine. He decided he could make a better mattress, one that would be safe for his grandchild. Together with his 2 sons, he started Naturepedic in his garage. His commitment was simple: make the best product available without using toxic or allergenic chemicals and without harming the planet. Barry realized that toxic mattresses are a design problem. By carefully considering each step in the manufacture of a mattress, he could design out the hazards. He also believed it really mattered. We spend a third of our lives in bed and expect it to be a sanctuary. Instead, one laboratory test found 61 toxic chemicals off-gassing from a foam mattress. Modern mattress manufacturing, designed for high-throughput machines, uses adhesives, which often contain toxic chemicals like formaldehyde. Adhesives and glues are occupational and environmental hazards. Mattresses used to be made by sewing and fastening. Barry's son found and refurbished 50-year-old industrial machines that allowed them to sew individual coils into fabric for their adult mattresses. Using this more flexible equipment allowed them to move away from toxic glues. Finding fabric that was high-performing and sustainable was another challenge. Typical mattress manufacturing relies on synthetic petroleum-based fabrics. These tend to be more toxic in production and are based on a non-renewable feedstock. Cotton and other natural materials have performance benefits over synthetic materials. Cotton is breathable, naturally flame-retarding, and durable. But even natural materials can have a significant environmental footprint if they are grown conventionally with pesticides and fertilizers. The company wanted fabric that would be safe for a baby, whether that baby was sleeping on their mattress or living next to a field where their cotton is grown. Certified organic cotton was the clear choice. Working with the Global Organic Textile Standard allowed Naturepedic to rely on a well-regarded third-party organization to choose the best fabric. Synthetic materials are typically used for the fill that gives your mattress its loft. Since the 1960s, most mattresses have been made using polyurethane foam, a petroleum-based material that is highly flammable and requires toxic raw materials during manufacture. Natural materials provided the answer here too. For nearly all of their mattresses and pillows, Naturepedic was able to rely on organic cotton, wool, latex, and sugarcane-based PLA fibers as fill material. Avoiding polyurethane foam meant they were also able to avoid another major source of toxic chemicals. If you live in the United States or any industrialized country, you have toxic flame retardants in your body. They are present in umbilical cord blood, newborn babies, and breast milk, and are found throughout the food chain. Avoiding them while maintaining fire safety standards is the holy grail of making mattresses. Naturepedic products are able to meet fire safety standards without toxic chemicals by using materials that are naturally flame retarding. The need for water resistance without the use of PVC was another challenge. PVC, or vinyl, is a worst-in-class plastic, yet widely used because it is inexpensive, performs well, and is water resistant. But it is toxic at every stage of its life cycle and requires toxic additives. Naturepedic solved the problem by using food-grade polyethylene, an environmentally preferred plastic. The company does not use latex in its children's products in order to avoid potentially allergenic materials for kids. and all wood used in their mattresses is FSC certified. The company's commitment extends to the cleaning chemicals in their well-lit plant in Chagrin Falls, Ohio, which is notable for the lack of toxic chemical smells. Each handmade mattress comes with a 20-year limited guarantee and is priced in line with high-end traditional mattresses. The company's products, which are sold by over 1,000 retailers across the country, include adult, child, and crib mattresses, as well as mattresses used in neonatal intensive care units in some of the nation's premier hospitals. Naturepedic is making a profit, and the company is growing. To make products without poisoning people and the planet, we will need to start with good design. Each step in the process requires new thinking. By looking to the past as well as the future, it is possible to find design solutions that result in high-performing products that also protect health. Naturepedic, an inspiring business innovator, is helping to show the way.